Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain you another important topic or feature of MS PowerPoint. How to import data from MS Word, Excel. Okay. So today I am going to explain you how to import data from MS Word. A PowerPoint has a facility to import and use data from MS Word or Excel. Importing data can save your time and effort. Okay. So suppose that you have created a document in MS Word and someone have asked you to change into PowerPoint. So again you have to create a PowerPoint of all the MS Word document which you have created. So it will take some time, but with the help of this feature you can import a data within no time. Okay, so it is a very important feature. Let's see how to import data from MS Word. So for this, open the MS Word and go to view option and just click on outline tab. Okay, go to the view option and click on outline tab here. The interface will be looking like this. Now type, I am going to take example from your book. So just type the point, figure number 5.9, types of software, then Microsoft Word, then Excel, CorelDRAW, Corel Photo Paint, Flash, and at last Adobe Photoshop. Okay. After writing this content, click on this option, close outline view. Okay. Now select the types of software and apply heading 1 from here only. Then Microsoft Word, heading 2, Excel, we choose heading 3, and CorelDRAW again heading 3. Now select the Corel Photo Paint and select heading 1, this as a heading 2 and this as a heading 2. Now click on save and save this document anywhere in your computer. I am saving this in my desktop, so just click on, add the name, software, and just click on save. Now the first part has been done. Now second, open the PowerPoint and click on view option. Go to the slide sorter view. Click on view. open the PowerPoint, go to view option, then click on slide sorter view. Now click on home tab and select the new slide. Okay, click on home tab and select the new slide, and just see at the bottom there is option slide from outline. Just click on the slide from outline option. So here you will get the Word document which is located, or you have saved somewhere. I have saved the document Word document software in my desktop, so it will open here. Select the Word file and just click on select on Word file and click on this insert option. See, your file has been imported from MS Word to PowerPoint. You can press F5 and see the PowerPoint slide. So this is how we can change or you can import the data from MS Word. Thank you. Have a nice day.